welcome. It's Jelly Cube. I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on this 40 by 50. I'm going to actually try some combing technique on this. I'm going to try it, see how it goes. Maybe with only a very few colours, like more monochromatic, and see if it works. So you've got to be in it to win it, or try it and see how things go. So let's get on. Oh, I want to mostly do the white, but I'm going to put some of the black in, or the kind of black navy, to blow it around to create a bit of a different background. So create a chaos blow. I've always called it a chaos blow, so because mine are never nice and a normal and what you call it, planned. They just go their own way. So, and that's the way I like to work. Just don't stress over perfection. Remember, your art room, your rules, your way. Relax, go with the flow. Pour your heart out and all of that. Rightio. That's very simple, quick go over. With the white, I'm going to put a little bit more. Now, just a tiny flecker, I hope, of, not too much, I don't really want. Not sure, if I don't like it when I've blown it, I will spread it with my spatula the same. No, that's not going to work, so I'm going to just do it like this. Hopefully with the colours that I add, it'll just give it something different for the background. Not worrying about my very edges at this point in time. So it's just giving it a bit of a different background. A stormy background. Oh, my dogs are talking to one another there. Bit of a stormy background. So I'll work out what I do on the edges when I see how my colours come together or don't come together. That is brilliant. Just nice and easy. Rightio. Now I'm going to put some colours down. I don't know how this is going to work, so we'll see. I'm going to go, this is the, I call it champagne gold because it's 50% gold, 50% silver, and it makes a lovely champagne colour. Now that's metallic copper. I'm going to put in some, oh, beautiful, ooh, this is coming, turquoise. See how it goes just with small amount at first. I'm not sure. Crazy dogs. Rightio. I've got just an everyday comb, and I'm going to just see what this looks like combed. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. That's actually nice. I stopped too soon there, but that's actually very effective. Very, very effective. Super duper. Okay. I'll go in here now again. Those colours really beautiful together. You can imagine on a huge, okay, oh goodness, canvas, how good that would look. Like very abstract but very effective. I have got all sorts of combs there, all sorts of, can't remember what you call them now. Goodness me, what's going on with you guys? Naughty. Rightio, let's see what I can do with this. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, you must come down and see this effect. It is beautiful. Gosh, those colours are so nice together. And especially with that kind of background. Oh my goodness. Like, that is hardly any effort whatsoever, but it is so nice. Just don't like that bit there. Oh, you can change that. That's perfect. Oh, wow. Oh, I must do this. I've got a really nice big canvas there, so now I really know what will work really well on large canvas, this effect. And those colours are stunning. I must bring you down and have a look at this. Very, very effective, but very, very simple. Oh my goodness, look at this. That is such a gorgeous effect on there. Gosh, I need to tape two combs together maybe and drag them through on a large canvas. And look at that background. It kind of does look as though it is like 3D, the background, and some kind of wild and wacky waves. Absolutely. I mean, I think I'm going to try now on another canvas to actually do this same technique for a wave. But look at all the lovely effects in it that you can do, and those colours being the metallic. Oh, super. They really are super. How simple is that to make a really beautiful piece of art? They sell these kind of arts here on the Noosa, like for a fortune, so I can get this onto the huge big canvas I have there. Wowzers trousers. I think it's absolutely beautiful. What do you think? I mean, it's abstract, but it's the colours are I love them together, and the movement in it. Look at this sweeping along here, and it's just glistening. Okay, I've rambled on enough. I really hope you like this, and I'm so excited now to try something much bigger. Definitely going to do that. I'm happy that I did that background instead of just a plain old background. So much nicer. Look at that. Okie doke, my lovelies. I will see you again tomorrow. Please join me. Don't forget, if you're feeling sad, lonely, upset or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or definitely a helpline, because there is always someone there to help you out. Okay, take care of yourselves. Bye for now.